finally, I have a question that's not related to anything.
Okay, go ahead.
Can we open a banking app in the phone just immediately after waking up to extract some sum of money from investment fund?
So if it's a pressing need, meaning for example, unless you do it now, they're going to raise change the rates. They're going to close the banks. Something is going to happen. Yeah, it would be allowed, but otherwise, it actually says in Shol HaMoed, you're not allowed to do your own business, take care of your business until you talk to Hashem, till you pray. So that's a proper way. So, but there is an exceptional situation. They say, for example, in olden days, we're talking about olden days, when the market on Friday was like very early in the morning. These people, non-Jews, they would come, bring their produce to sell early in the morning, like 5 a.m. in the morning. They're there, or 6 a.m. and they sell in 1 hour. They go. That's like in a small village. So in your prayer, it's 6:30 or 7. So of course you're allowed to go like in the morning to take care of the business and then go and pray. But proper, if it's not going to affect anything, so it's proper to pray and then to go and take care of the business. So at least, and in the present circumstances, you're allowed at least say all of the morning blessings. You're obligated to say a blessing on learning Torah, Shema, at least for the first paragraph, and then you're allowed to take care of the business. So some people need to leave, to be on the road somewhere, like to go out of the city, and then they can pray with a peace of mind. So it would be allowed. Or sometimes like people go to airport like very early, right? So they prefer to drive there or take a cab or something very early to the airport and pray in the airport. So okay, there is no problem. But proper, do it in the right direction. Hashem first, and then all others are going to wait. Yeah.
Yes, it's because this type of investments have limited hours. No, it's not 24 hours a day. So that was exactly the case.
Okay, as you said, if it's limited hours, so you have only like 2 hours to move your funds from this one to this one, and it would be allowed. Yes. But if it's possible to say all of the morning blessings, what takes exactly 5 minutes and Shema, so better do that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very good questions. Okay.